How's it? How's it? Just wanted to post a quick video on the latest of my Behringer mixer drama. So the replacement mixer I bought from Sweetwater, the Behringer Xenix QX1222 USB, the Behringer Xenix QX1222. Just fought me the whole time. 8 channels. Yeah, as I said in the earlier video, which I'll repost, so there have been 3 videos now, 3, that I posted about my whole screw up with the original mixer that I loved, the Behringer Xenix X 2222 USB, Behringer Xenix X 2222, which I loved. Well, I'll spare you. Just if you want, you can look at it below. But I just had it with the 1222. It was fighting me the whole time. I can't really fault it, but it just did not like click with me. So I ordered I ordered another 2222 from Behringer. I'm sorry, from Sweetwater, and I've been nothing but happy ever since. I packed up the 1222 and haven't yet shipped it back. But anyway, so my buddy, my musician buddy in New York City, New York, Harvey Dixon, complimented me on a video I made recently of Frank Ocean's version of Moon River, which I'll also post, asking me what effects I used on that recording. And the answer is I tore off from my board all of the many pedals I have been using, and I'm just running everything. When I got the 2222 back, I just decided to go old school. I pulled off all of my old effects pedals, and I'm just running everything into the board through the #1 effect setting, which is, I think, Hall reverb, and I'm going to rebuild from there. Been very happy with it. So the new video, I just got through recording a new video, which is The Scientist by Coldplay, and everything's clean, everything's I'm happy with the mix, I'm happy with the overall production. So that's where we're starting anew. I do have a couple of old videos that I made through the 1222, which I'll likely post, but I'm not happy with the sound, and I'll mention that. But anyway, I'll mention that when I post them. But anyway, just giving you an update. Like I said, the 2222 cost me $309 from Sweetwater, which of course, you know, I love them. They ship for free to Hawaii, which is the only online music equipment retailer that I know ships, and always gets here within a couple days. It's going to cost me a few bucks to ship the 1222 back to Sweetwater, but again, you know, as I said in the original video, I tried to save a few bucks by going a little cheaper, but yeah, it didn't work out. I love this 12-channel mixer. All my instruments go right into it. And like I said, I'm starting from scratch, just using the onboard effects. I'm very happy. The only ones I can't plug in all the time are my acoustic electrics. Otherwise, the batteries die. But all my electric guitars, my basses, except for my acoustic electric bass and my Yamaha keyboard, are all plugged directly into the mixer, ready to go. Okay. Aloha. Thanks for your time.